Hey, thanks for joining me today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and this is Stacy Lee Beauty. And if you are new here, welcome. I do new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today I am very excited to bring you a haul from Milani, including So they were having a sale where you could get a free mystery bag if you spent a certain amount on their website. So that did sucker me in. It worked. And I've never tried anything from Milani before, but I've heard a lot about them and they are cruelty free. So I thought this is a perfect opportunity to get some of their products and try them. So I'll go through what I purchased first, and then I'll talk about the freebie that came with the order and also the free mystery bag. Okay, so first we have, this is the Bold Obsession kit, and this includes the Bold Obsessions eyeshadow palette, 12 ultra smooth matte and metallic eyeshadow shades, and also the eyeshadow primer. So let's open this up. And I've heard so much about this primer, especially on Emily Noel's channel. So I'm looking forward to trying it because the primers that I have right now are MAC and Urban Decay. MAC is not cruelty free and Urban Decay is, but their parent company is not. So I've been wanting to find a primer that is 100% cruelty free. So we have the eyeshadow primer here. And that will be good. This is made in the US. Then we have the Bold Obsessions palette, and this is made in the US, assembled in the Dominican Republic with US and non-US components. And here is the colors. So very pretty. It is kind of strange. This top one kind of looks like it's smudged a little bit, but I don't think that that's an actual like fingerprint or swatch or anything, but it does look like a little something. Can you see it on this top one? So that's a little odd, but they do have the shade names on the back. So I don't have anything from the brand. This is my first purchases, so of course there will be a brand review on these products in the upcoming months. So I will just swatch them starting with here. I'll go over here, 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 and here. Let's see, they feel really soft. Let me get close here. So very soft. I like that. Look, it feels like they're going to be easy to work with. So those are your matte shades. Then you have some metallics. Those are kind of your neutral metallics. Then the next row is more metallics. So these are really pretty. They could create a lot of looks with these. Then the bottom row is that color family, but matte. And black. Oops. So a great way, I know that a lot of palettes have blacks and they're kind of hard to use up, but a great way to use them up is you can use them to change the tone and shade of your color. So we have this color. Now I'm going to put black down first, and then if I go back with that color and put it over the black, if that was on my eye, let's see, you could see how I still am getting that color, but it just brings the tone down a little bit. So that's a great way to use your blacks. Okay, so I've cleaned off my swatches, so I have clean arm for the next ones. But yeah, I really like this palette. I like how they kind of give you the colors in matte and kind of the same family in the shimmers. So very pretty. I definitely will be trying this one out. Well, I'll be trying them all out. The next thing is this kit. This is the Luminoso Get Lit Kit. Very nice packaging. This side's off. Ooh, and look at that box. That's like really impressive. I will leave the prices down below and across the screen, but this is really nice. It kind of feels like more of a high-end brand. Oh, you open it up and look at, there's the bubbles in there. Very impressed with their packaging. And everything is bubble wrapped. That is awesome. And at the bottom, there's another layer of the bubbles. That is really impressive. And I do resell as a full-time job, so I love it when companies send stuff like this because I can reuse it for my business. Okay, so we have, this is the Luminoso Glow Shimmering Face Palette. And the packaging, it feels kind of a cheaper plastic, but just kind of lightweight, but not too bad. Okay, so let me make sure it's in screen there. So here is the colors. It says make it glow, boost intensity, use a damp brush to apply and intensify. Wear alone or layer for multi-dimensional looks. And this is made in Taiwan. Okay, so let's see if I swatch. I'll just do these two. And then let's do these two and see. Very pretty. Ooh, those are really pretty. Yay! Okay, then we have the Luminoso Baked Powder Blush. Okay, here is, it's pretty thick packaging and opens up to the baked powder blush, and oh, underneath you have the mirror and a little brush. So that's pretty nice. And again, here is the color. So nice. Ooh, it feels really soft. Very nice. That is really soft. Which I like because I have some of the e.l.f. baked products and they feel so hard at the top layer. So that's nice. Okay, the next thing that was in the kit is I think this was a lip plumper. Yes, Nourishing Lip Plumper and Keep It Full. And I like how everything is sealed. It is made in the US with US and non-US components. Ooh, it smells sweet. Nice. I like the big dofa applicator. And there you go. It's really pretty. Nice gloss. So I don't know. I've had mixed experience with lip plumpers. Some of them, I think it was the Too Faced lip plumper, I could not leave it on my lips. It was tingling so bad. But then other ones, the Soap and Glory, I hardly felt anything. So we'll see how this one works. Look at that. It comes in another little bubble. Okay, here's the packaging for the eyeshadow. It is similar to the blush. And this is in the color 21 Bella Teal Metallic. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at it. It's kind of like raised up. So that's kind of interesting. See how it does that? And there it is. There it is. And again, this is made in the US. This says Bella Eyes Gel Powder Eyeshadow. Ooh, and it looks so soft. It looks like a cushion almost. And there's like a kind of a little dip you can see in the center. It is a lighter color than I thought it would be just on the initial swatch that's going in one time. So we'll see if we can build it up and how it works. Okay, so then with that order, these are the freebies. So who doesn't love freebies? Cute little bag. Nice. I'm so impressed with their packaging. I know I probably already said that like a trillion times, but cute little bag. Can reuse that. And so you get a free sample of the new highly rated mascara 10-in-1 volume. And here it is. And here's what they say the results are. This is made in the US with US and non-US components. And, oh, and they have the cruelty-free logo there. Okay. And then this is another blush. So the other one that I have is the baked powder blush that I bought in the kit. And this one is just a powdered blush, not baked. And as you can see, it's a little bit more of a flatter packaging. This is the baked, and it's a different line within the company. So this one doesn't open quite as easy. It is kind of a little stiff to open it. You have the flower this is in color 901 Romantic Rose. And okay, that's pretty lightweight. That felt really soft to the touch. And now the mystery bag. Okay, so let's see if this was worth it. I mean, it was worth it to me because I've never tried any of the products and I want to try it. But little bag, cosmetic bag. It looks like in a kind of bronze color. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to decide if I want to keep this or if I'll do this for a future giveaway. I'm not sure. I might ask my mom if she needs it. It looks like it has a little tassel on it, but I have quite a few little bags, so I'm not sure. Okay, so the next thing we have is an eyeshadow palette, and it's in its own little bag. So that's good because, let's see. Oh, I'm kind of going with the blue theme here. So this is the Smoky Essentials Everyday Eye. Okay, and so you get the double-sided brush. This one, it's just gonna fall out, so I'm just gonna take that out. Here are the colors. This says step 1, highlight sweet base across the lid. Then you can contour, put color, add depth, brighten, and define. And so it tells you, so that's kind of interesting on the back, it tells you the instructions are kind of step by step. And over here, it tells you what the colors. So like you put it on the base and that's saying that that is the base and then the contour and all that. So that is interesting. And I think I'll do a video. Let me know down below if you'd be interested in me trying to do a tutorial video on if I follow their instruction exactly what my look will come out. Because I think it was Too Faced, they come with little booklets, some in their some of their palettes, and I have followed their little instructions, but it didn't look as good as theirs. Okay, so that's good so far. Then we have Keep It Clean Long Wear Lip Color Remover. So I actually have never, well, I have liquid lips, but I don't think I've ever tried a lip remover. I've just kind of wiped it off or waited for it to come off, which is crazy. There is one sugar pill. I'm testing that out for a future video to talk about. They're made in the US, and their lip color, their liquid lip color, it stays on, let me tell you. I woke up the next morning with still with some of it on. Okay, so here is this. So that's good. Let's see, this is made in the US. So that's good. That's something that I probably would never buy myself, but it's good to try. Then we have a Stay Put Matte Liner. Ooh, this is a Midnight Matte. Yay, it's a blue. So that's awesome. Blue eyeshadow, and they give you a blue eyeliner. Nice. Okay. So here that is. So it says it's 17-hour wear liquid eyeliner. Well, we will put that to the test. Then we have Moisture Lock Pomegranate and Oil Infused Lip Treatment. Okay, this is made in the US. Here's what it looks like, as you can see on the side. So pomegranate oil. I never tried anything like this. So let me know if you've tried any of these products down below. I'd love to know. And we have another little bag. Let's see what goodies are in here. Okay. So liquid lips. Okay, so this is made in the US, Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream. Okay, so we have this one. And again, the color, oh no, Amore Matte, it must be this the line that this is, Amore Matte, because the color is 10 Pretty Problematic. I hope that's coming in. So Amore Matte is, yeah, must be the line. Is that coming in? Okay, are these all that? Yes. Okay, so they're all Amore Matte, and they're all metallic lip cream. Well, these colors look pretty similar. But they're not. Okay, one says matte, 08 Raving Matte, and one says 15 The Ultimate. But they look really close. So, okay. Well, I think I'll swatch these when I do my review on them. But this looks kind of like a brown color. And I think that these, I probably will not open both of these and swatch both of these or use both of these, because I think I'll try to decide which one I want to keep for myself, and the other one, if my mom doesn't want it or my sister, then I'll probably put it aside, and I'm going to start collecting for a giveaway, because like this, I don't need both of these. They're very similar, because let's see if you can see. Yeah, here. I think that's coming up. Yeah, they're different, but they're similar where I don't need both of these. Okay, so I don't know if that's like $60 value, but I'm happy with it. I feel like I didn't waste my money. I think that with these products, with what I bought and what I got in the mystery bag, I think this will give me a good idea on how the products are in this brand and be able to give a good review on it. So I'm excited. So cool. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.